Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUP DIY Designer box. And I can't wait to do it because I have been out traveling for a couple of weeks. More than about 2.5 weeks I've been traveling. So I haven't been posting a lot. I've done just a little bit here and there, and so I'm super excited to get back to it. And I'm also super excited because I got something in the mail, a friend mail today. And I'm going to open that up as well. And the friend mail is from a friend of mine named Stacy. I met her out here on YouTube, and she's one of the first people I met out here on YouTube. And she's a creator as well. I'm going to have her channel linked in my bio, or in the description of this video actually, is where I'll have that. So check her out. She does do some unboxings, and she does some ThredUP unboxings, and she's got some really good stuff actually. So I'm excited to see what she sent to me in the mail, and then I will start with that actually. So I got this, and I think it must have gotten here several days ago. Like I said, I was out traveling. I actually do travel a lot. I travel for work and then for personal as well. So, well, let's see here. How exciting. You know, when you come home from being gone 2.5 weeks, I don't know about you, but if you're gone 2.5 weeks, you come home, there's usually a lot of things that need to be done. And there's a lot of things that are like, oh, I gotta catch up on this, I gotta catch up on that. There's no food in the house. I hope I have coffee for the morning. But it's always fun to come back to packages. And especially a friend mail is wonderful. And I don't know how to get this open here. I'm having a hard time. But anyway, it's great to come home to something to open up. It's just kind of fun. So, all right. I think I almost got this. I almost got it. The box is a little stubborn. Okay. All right, here it is. So the box is about this big. And I'm gonna take it out, and what is this? I've got this little box. Hope you like. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Well, it says I hope you like the things I sent, and I know I'm going to. But wow, there's a bunch of things in here. Okay, let's see what they are. All right, let's see. The first thing is. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh! Oh my, are you kidding? I'm sorry, I'm dumbfounded. I can't even believe this. Anthropology by Celeste Michelle. Are you kidding? Oh my god, I have to wear it right now. I can't. This is, if someone made me a necklace custom, it would be this. This is what it would be. I'm wearing it right now. I love this necklace. Stacy, this is wonderful. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Okay, I gotta find a way to get this on without being able to look, and with these nails I'm not sure I'm going to be able to, let's see, not sure I'm going to be able to get this on without, because my fingernails make it kind of hard. But look at this necklace. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I just in the fabric, and so for me it's going to be a choker. I'm going to try one more time. It fits me, so that's not a problem. It fits me. It's just trying to get it. I can't do it with these nails. It's hard to get these clasps done with these nails. But I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna help my son help me put that on. I can't even believe he sent me that. That is so gorgeous. Okay, what's next? Ooh, oh my gosh. I can't. Okay, so Stacy clearly knows me. Really? Are you kidding? Look at these earrings. Oh, I don't have any earrings on. I'm putting these on right now. These are so cute. I can't. Oh my gosh, they are totally my style. And you know what? One thing about me, I don't know about you, but I got my ears pierced when I was 7 years old. And they did it too low. And I've done nothing to fix the situation. And so I can't wear really heavy earrings because the hole in my ear is really low down on my earlobe. And I just can't support a heavier earring, you know. So yeah, these are perfect because they're lightweight. They're kind of a raffia, and they're J. Crew earrings. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. I love them. All right, so J. Crew earrings, an Anthropology necklace, This is so generous, and I'm having a really hard time. This is so generous already. I can't believe there's more in here than that. That is just crazy. All right, we still have this. Look at these earrings. They're so bright and vibrant. and they're lightweight. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. Thank you, Stacy. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Oh, wow. How pretty. Jenny Bird, look at this beautiful bracelet. Oh, wow. This is absolutely unreal. I love the fact that it has silver and gold. My wedding ring also has silver and gold. So it has both because I wear both a lot. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. And it fits me perfectly, but I can't get it on because of these darn nails. But oh my gosh, Stacy, thank you. Huge thank you. I can't even believe. And I didn't show you the earring card for these earrings, but they are J. Crew. Look at there's the earring card for them. I absolutely love them. But this necklace is now my favorite necklace. It's my favorite. It's just insane. I love it. I love them all. I am so appreciative. Thank you, Stacy. Thank you so much. All right. Please do go like Stacy's channel, have a look at her videos, and she's wonderful. So please go out and have a look at her channel. And that is, again, in my description. All right, moving on to the box. All right, so here is the box. This is the designer box from ThredUP. It's a smaller one, and it's the older designer box, but guess where it's from? Suwanee, Georgia. I'm super excited it's from Suwanee, Georgia. I'm going to move over here a little bit. I'm super excited that it's from Suwanee because, I don't know, just lately they seem a little bit better. I think they're better. All right, I got the cutter here. Oops. My battery's low, so it's telling me. Okay. All right, so let's do this thing, right? Now I got another box to open, but ThredUP doesn't put a lot of tape. I'm eating my words right now as I'm cutting this box. They put a ton of tape on this. I got struggles. Okay, if this is my worst struggle today, it's not that bad. I'm in Minnesota, and it's about 90 degrees. And, you know, a lot of people think Minnesota is cold. Minnesota is one of the hottest places in the summer. It's right now, it's 90s or so. It's super humid. It's like, I don't know, it's super humid and it's super hot. And that's how our summers are a lot of the time. So they're certainly not dry. All right, so one more little piece and we will have it. All right, so you ready? Let's see. Let me make sure that this is what we have here, but I think it is. All right, we have, yep, we've got it. Here is the first look. See something colorful down there. I don't know what it is, but, and we're gonna take this off. Oh, see, they always put it on there so nicely. Okay, so then I'm gonna give you another first look. I don't see any purses or shoes in there though. That's a little kind of disheartening. Look at this. I don't know, we'll see what it is. I'm gonna put it down here. And we are going to start out with a shirt. It's an Alice and Olivia shirt. It's super cute. Oh, I love the pattern. It's probably a small size. It's a size small. It's really cute. The material is adorable. It's got a collar, and look at this kind of like psychedelic collar. And it's got a different pattern on one side than the other, which I think is adorable. It's really cute. So that is a size small. I don't see any issues with the buttons. So sometimes Alice and Olivia, you know, I did learn something about not about ThredUP, but I learned something about Rent the Runway, which reminded me a little bit of ThredUP. I think sometimes these things end up in the boxes because they have too many of them. There was a shirt that I did a in-person drop-off for the Real Real, sorry, not Rent the Runway, for the Real Real. And they said there's certain times of year when they have too many of certain items, like they had too many Millie shirts. So I had a Millie shirt to bring in and they wouldn't take it. It was in perfect condition, by the way, but they wouldn't take it. I don't know if that's why these end up in the box at ThredUP. I don't know. But it seems like it's in perfect condition. So if you want this shirt, I will verify that it's, you know, that there's nothing wrong with it. I think it's, let me just see what the material is. I think it's silk. but I can't find the tag offhand. But I will before I post this. I will find out what the material is, and then you will know. But it's a size small. Moving on to the next one, which is, what is it? Derek Lamb Crosby. Okay. It's a dress, and let's see. It is a long sleeve dress. It's a cute design. It's got a tie at the neck. It's a size 8, which is a great size. It looks like this might have been a Rent the Runway item. Here, I'm trying to hold that. It looks like it might have been a Rent the Runway item because it has this little UPC code on it. So it's a cute dress. I don't know what to say about it other than that it's a size 8. It is a fit and flare dress, and it looks like it goes down to about the knee, and then this is the bottom. Is it kind of a wrap? No, it's not a wrap. It's made to look like a wrap a little bit, but it's not a wrap dress. So it's really cute. I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But I will look it over before I post this video. So really cute. That brand name traditionally has not sold well for me, but that doesn't mean it won't this time. So anyway, all right, moving on. Okay, this feels nice. You know what? I love Escada. I love the Escada brand name. I would love to hear what you all have to say about the Escada brand name, because I think they have Escada. It's a German company, by the way, and I just think there are so many cute items. Okay, it's just a black, what is it, a cardigan kind of thing? Yeah, it's a black cardigan. And it is a size 34. Made in Italy. It's got clasps in the front. I think this brand is, I mean, there's people who love this brand, but I think it's underhyped. I love Escada. Every single item I've ever gotten of theirs has been a really cool, like, it feels like luxury, and it's just really nice. So this is really cute. It's black. I'm going to show you the tag here. Escada, size 34. And their sizing is a little bit different than typical, but I'm going to, I'll check and make sure what this size is, but it's really cute. There's the back. It's got kind of a, I get this out of the way, get the sleeve out of the way so you can see it. Yeah, it's really cute. It's stretchy, super stretchy. So what is the material in this thing? Dry clean only. Okay. I was gonna say it's 96% wool and 4% elastane. So that is crazy that it's wool, because it's really, look up close here. Can you see that? It doesn't seem like wool, but it's really thin. And so, all right. So a jacket by Escada. I like it. All right. Next is, what do we have next? St. John, size 16. It's a pair of pants, size 16, St. John. And it's like, it's kind of like, it's cotton pants. They must button or zip it, yeah, they zip at the side. And they're really nice. The inseam looks like it's, well, let's see. Probably about a 28-inch inseam by about, I'm just going to guess and say about a 34-inch waist, but I'll put that on the screen. But aren't they nice? They're cute. I'm going to show you the tag here. St. John, size 16. Yeah, made in the USA. Cute pants. So moving on to the next thing is, let's see. Got a bag here by Jimmy Choo. This is a nice bag. Kind of excited about this one. This is so cute. Are you kidding me? This is, okay, well, I wasn't really very impressed with this box, but this is really nice. So it's clean. I don't, it seems to me that this is like a purposeful distressing, look at that. You can kind of see, look up close a little bit, you can kind of see the distress. It looks to me like it was purposefully distressed. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at other ones like this, but it's really got a lot of distressing. I can't imagine that's what would have happened to the purse on accident, but you know, I'm gonna look it up and see. But it's cute. It doesn't have any straps with it. I don't think it's meant to. I think it's meant just as a, you know, you just carry it, hold it with your hand. So yeah, that is cute. That's really cute. I don't know. I haven't had a lot of experience selling Jimmy Choo bags. I sold one of them for a lot of money, actually. Oh, these are cute. Okay. Okay, these are cute and they're in really good shape too. Wow. Okay. This is probably the first pair of Jimmy Choos I have received that aren't completely hashed. Look at these shoes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now these are my size, but these are way too high. And I was just hiking last week. In the last 2.5 weeks, I have walked 45 miles, believe it or not. And in that time, I realized my knee still does hurt a little bit from the surgery I had about a year and a half ago. So I can't wear these kinds of heels. I can wear heels, but not these kinds. Look at the toe. They're in pretty good condition. I don't see any nicks on the heels, really. Give you kind of a look at that. And they're a size 38. Yeah, there is some wear to the soles, but not a ton. I'm really kind of impressed. There's some minor discolorations on here. You know how patent leather is. But I don't care. These are great. They're in good condition, and I'll probably try and sell these on eBay if I don't sell them here. But they're cute. Just one thing left. All right. All right. So the funny thing is, how crazy is this? This is a pair of Stuart Weitzman boots. I swear, I think I got this exact pair in another box. I still have it. And there's tiny size. Okay, it's a pair of knee boots by Stuart Weitzman. They're nice boots. They're suede. Actually, they look like they have almost no wear to them. Like, look at the heels. Really good condition. But I think probably the reason they're in here is they are a really tiny size. Like, I don't even know what size they are. I'm gonna have to research, you know, open them up. Okay, there. Here we go. Okay, they're a 6 medium. That's not so, I thought they were like a 4.5. I mean, they're really little. But they're a size 6. So they're a pair of Stuart Weitzman suede knee boots. And they probably go over the knee, actually. They're a little bit, I mean, they just need to be brushed off here a little bit. But there's nothing, I don't see anything wrong with them. They're in really good condition. So this is as big as they go. So you have to have kind of pretty small legs to make them work. So anyway, all right, so here's what we got in the box. We got this pair of size 6 Stuart Weitzman suede boots, size 6. We got this pair of Jimmy Choo heels, good condition, size 38, which is about 7.5 or 8 women's in US sizes. This Jimmy Choo bag, which is really, really, really cute, but has the distressing, not sure if it's intentional. The St. John pants, just kind of like side zip pants, straight leg, about 28-inch inseam. Escada, an Escada jacket, clasps in the front, made of wool, and a couple more. Yeah, Derek Crosby. Okay, it's 10 Derek Lamb. Wait, Derek Lamb, 10 Crosby. That's what it is. Wow. You know, I'm not very with it today, but I'm just doing my best here. This dress, size 8, very, very pretty. Would cost a lot new in the store, I know that much. And this really cute Alice and Olivia size small long sleeve shirt. You know what, before we close up this video, I'm going to try one more time to see if I can find the tag. Tell you whether it's silk or not. I think that it is. But it's still going to hide from me. So anyway, and that is it. I must say, not the best box I've ever gotten. But there's a couple of solid items in there. So I think that I can at least make my money back and hope to make some money. So so that is my designer box. So thank you to Stacy. You are so wonderful and I so appreciate you. I will love all these items you sent me. And thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.